Hey guys, so today I want to put together this Equipment Defender line spool rack that I got a few months ago and just haven't had a chance to put it together yet and install it in my trailer along with the fresh spool of Black Diamond 095 trimmer line that I got this week. So the first step is to open up the box, see what's inside and what it takes to put this thing together. Pull it out, and looks like there's a bag of parts in there. And some hardware. Now what I'm not seeing is any instructions to put this thing together, but I guess being a man, I wouldn't read the instructions anyways. So here's looks like a really long bolt. Looks like one of the sides with the built-in line cutter. Another end. And some brackets. And then we have a bag of mixed hardware there. Okay, so you can see here I've laid out all the parts, including the hardware. And it's pretty straightforward to go together. So the first step is to take this bottom bracket here with these 3 holes here on the side, and to take this matching end piece with the 3 holes, and you're going to put this on the end like that, and put these 3 little bolts here that have the matching, you can see they have the matching square end to hold the bolt in place, and you're going to use these locking nuts, and these are a 10mm. So you're going to put these together first loosely to line it all up, and then you can use your ratchet to put those on. Alright, so once you have this end is secure, it's really simple from there. The next step is to take your little spacer bracket. It's going to line up, as you can see, it's adjustable depending on where you want to mount it. But essentially we're going to have to drill 2 mounting holes for these 2 bolts in the trailer first. So the first thing to do would be to take this bracket here and go see what it looks like in the trailer and see where we want to mount it. Okay, so on my trailer here, on the driver's side, I've got this little side cargo door. I've already removed the lock off of it, but basically if I open it up, you can see there's basically a shelf here. I've got the other side, the ramp door open. You can see the other end of the grill lifts there. But basically it's like just a utility shelf here, and it's here to hold the battery for the hydraulic dumper lift on the back of the trailer. So it's the power source there. But I'm thinking of putting that line spool right here on this edge, because I can access both sides there to put the bolts. So that'd be super handy, and it would just be right here. I can open this door, pull out the line that I need, cut it off, and you know, just be a perfect spot for it. So let's figure it out. Okay, so I've got my parts here, And as you can see, I'll just slide the other end through there. You can see the slotted area there. Now you can see that that sticks out or sticks down just a little bit, so that would cause this obviously not to be flush. So that's where this shim piece comes into play. So this would go down first and line up with the holes there, and then that would cause that to be, you know, exactly where you wanted it to be. And now keep in mind, this rod is going to go through those holes, so you want to ensure you have enough space on this side that it's not you know, get in the way of anything for that extra threaded rod there. So that looks good. That'll give me good access there to the cutter end on this side. So I think that's where it's going to go. So I just want to mark the center roughly there. So next we'll take the spacer, put it on there, grab the bracket, put it on there, grab a bolt, put it through, and then we'll grab the nuts and a ratchet and tighten it up. So first I'm just gonna reach under and start to put the nuts in place. Okay, so now that that's done, it's time to finish the installation. So basically, what we're going to do is we're going to grab our line of spool there. We're going to take our big long threaded rod and we're going to put it through the end with the cutter on it, like that. Then you're going to take your spool like that. And you're going to line up that slotted end there and also this threaded rod through the hole. Line up the slotted end. Just like that. Then we're going to take the tightening nut here, put this on the end. As it'll go. Just like that. And you're going to take the last locking nut and just put it on the end there. This is to ensure if you ever forget to tighten this that it doesn't come off completely. So the other handy feature of the line spool rack with that tightening nut is that you can use it to secure your line spool. So if you loosen it, your spool of course is going to spin. You can tighten it down, then it holds it secure and it's not going to spin and your spool of line is not going to unravel. Okay guys, so let's take a look at the included cutter on the side of the line spool holder. So of course when you're going to need some line, you're just going to remove the line from that little hole on the side of the spool that comes included on your spools to hold the line. You're going to pull out the amount of line you need. You're going to feed it through that little cutter there on the side, and then you're just going to pull the handle. And there you go. You got your cut piece of line. Super easy, very simple, and no need for extra cutters. So there you have it, guys. That's how to put together and install the Equipment Defender line spool rack. Remember, you can always save 10% off of all of your Equipment Defender purchases by using coupon code LCBS10 at the checkout. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below and let me know what your favorite Equipment Defender rack is, or which Equipment Defender racks you plan on purchasing in the future. So that's it for this one. Here's to wishing you guys all overwhelming success and freedom in your lawn care business. Bye for now.